right, so my next example is 5m squared minus 17m plus 6. So again, let's start with our ABCs. A is 5, B is negative 17, and C is 6. Oops. Notice 5, negative 17, and 6 do not have a common factor. So again, no GCF. So I write my X puzzle out. A times C on top, B on bottom. 5 times 6, 30. B, negative 17. Give you a few seconds to see if you can figure it out. If you need to, press pause on the video to give you more time. Okay, I'm about to give you the magic numbers. Negative 15, negative 2. Negative 15 times negative 2 is 30. Negative 15 plus negative 2 is negative 17. These are my magic numbers. So I write out my factors. The variable here is m. So that's m minus 15, m minus 2. Again, normally we would call it a day when A is 1, or if we had a GCF, we would pull that GCF out in the front and we'd be done. But that is not the case in this example. We do have A as a number and no GCF. So we take A and divide it into my two factors that I got and simplify. I can simplify right here. Negative 15 divided by 5 is negative 3, so that would be m minus 3. And then over here, negative 2 divided by 5, I can't divide and I can't simplify that fraction any. So I go through my getting rid of that fraction method, bottoms up. Take my bottom number and move it up to the front. So this is 5m minus 2. And there's my answer. We have 2 more examples. I'm going to move a little quicker through these next 2. Well, through this next one. The last one I'm going to go over a little more because it has a different look, sort of. So 3x squared minus 11x plus 10. Do my ABCs. A equals 3, B equals negative 11, C equals 10. 3, negative 11, and 10 don't have a GCF, so there is no GCF. Do my X. A times C on top, B on bottom. 3 times 10 is 30. B is negative 11. Press pause at this time if you want to figure it out on your own, because the magic numbers are negative 5 and negative 6. Negative 5 times negative 6, positive 30. Negative 5 plus negative 6, negative 11. Magic numbers. Write it out. X minus 5, X minus 6. No GCF. A is not 1. Divide by your A. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. 5 divided by 3 I can't do, and I can't simplify, so I'll come back to that one in a little bit, just because of my color coding. 6 divided by 3, negative 6, sorry, divided by 3, I can do. It's negative 2. So this is x minus 2. We come back to my fraction, icky fractions, we don't want them. So bottoms up. And that is 3x minus 5. All right, go on to the last video for the last example.